Hello guys, this is my full stack project on online grocery store. So I have made my prototype on Figma. This is all the screens I have added. So let's have a quick preview of it. So here is a landing page for the user where he will enter his email and password. Or if you have no account in this Mart, then he will click sign up and then he will enter his first name, last name and whatever it is asked. And then he will redirect to the store. And coming to the other way, he will log in by his credentials and then he will enter the store where he can select multiple choices like vegetables. He will get the vegetables here, and then after clicking fruits, he will get fruits. So let's add something into the cart: apple, and then meat. So the items have been added to the cart, and then we can go to the cart. Here are the items listed which we have added to the cart, and then we have the user needs to enter his address. After entering, he should save it, and then if it's a first time order placement, then he will select the add payment method, or else if he is already an existing user which have already ordered something, then he will click the select payment, and then he will select whatever the payment method, and then he will click the continue, and then the order will be placed and he will be thanked for using the Nature Mart, and the status of the order will be tracked here. And this is the order will be placed, and this is all about my project. Thank you.